welcome to the Beerman Fan TV. I'm Andra Alvaro, and it's time now for Beerman discussion. And let us talk about Junmar Fajardo is on the list for the best player of the conference, first season of conference, which is the Philippine Cup of the PBA. And it was a tight and intense battle between Slaughter and Fajardo, which is an almost 1 point difference in statistical points. Now, I've read this article on the book about Junmar and Greg Slaughter, the best player of the conference race. Let us read for now. Ginebra starting statman Greg Slaughter and two-time league MVP Junmar Fajardo are currently engaged toe-to-toe battle for the best player award in the season opening of the PBA Philippine Cup. But between two, Slaughter appears even more motivated this season, as evidenced in his PBA career best number of 22.8 points, 15.3 rebounds, and 3.3 assists per game halfway through the single-round eliminations of the All-Filipino Conference. He has 43.8 statistical points to lead the pack in the best player of the conference, helping Ginebra on a 3-3 win-loss record equally after a slow start in this conference. On the other hand, Junmar Fajardo's San Miguel imposing slotman closed second with 42.7 statistical points, as the Beermans currently lead the standings with their impressive 5-1 card, and Beerman currently on the top of the standings. Not far behind are NLEX frontcourt partner Shang Atay and Asitaw Lava, who average 41.2 and 40.4 statistical points respectively. To help, NLEX had already won over Tokadex with a 6-point lead. Currently in fifth is the Rookie of the Year Stanley Pringle of Global Port with 37.6. Sixth is Jason Castro with 35. Then seventh with Vic Manuel. San Miguel's Alex Cabagnot with 32. Global Port's Terrence Romeo with 31.8. And finally, Willie Wilson of Barako with 31.5. To complete the top 10 players who are in the brink of the winning best player of the conference race. So it was a tight one on these two players from different clubs. We have our very own two SMB players, Alex Cabagnot and Fajardo, are in fighting for the best player of the conference award. So I'm very happy for that. But in the end, I think Fajardo can win another best player of the conference for good performance of the team and his own individual highlights. So no change for that. So Fajardo still have a chance to win again. Anyway, let us tell us comment section below if you want to watch another video again. Please like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel on the Beerman Fan TV. Like us on Facebook on the Beerman Fan TV. Follow us both Twitter and Instagram on the Beerman Fan TV. I'm Andra Alvaro. We'll see you on the next video. Shalom. Bye.